To enable power saving mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter battery right here, and then we can scroll down to the power saving. Now you can also use this switch right here to turn it on and off, but alternatively we can click on power saving and then enable it, and after it's enabled you'll be able to access standard or maximum battery saving. For both options you can find a gear icon next to it, which allows you to customize which things will happen to your phone when you enter that specific mode. Now the standard mode in this case will offer me 3 days and 6 hours of battery life instead of 2 days and 10 hours, and maximum will double on that almost, or actually pretty much exactly double on it. So the difference between the standard and maximum is that if you enter maximum, it will limit your phone more. So you won't be able to access most of the apps. As you can see, they are grayed out. It's only apps that are active in by default is phone, messages, clock, and Play Store, and wallet also, it appears to. So if we want, we can go to maximum right here and enter those settings and change which apps will be available. So it takes all of the options from standard mode, applies it to maximum, and adds the app limit. And that's how it saves so much battery. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.